In this video, we'll measure the energy change of a reaction by experiment, part of your IGCSE Chemistry course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, describe an experiment to measure a temperature change. Second, carry out the steps. And third, decide whether a reaction is exothermic or endothermic. Here's a simple, reliable way to measure an energy change. We carry out the reaction in a polystyrene cup because polystyrene is a good insulator. It stops heat escaping to or from the room, which would spoil our reading. We put the reactants in, stir, and watch a thermometer. What we're after is the temperature change, the difference between the start and the highest or lowest point reached. The method, step by step. First, measure out a fixed volume of one reactant into the cup and record its starting temperature. Second, add the second reactant and stir well. Third, watch the thermometer and record the highest temperature if it warms up, or the lowest if it cools down. And fourth, subtract to find the temperature change. A good example is neutralising an acid with an alkali, or adding a metal to a salt solution. Reading the result is straightforward. If the temperature went up, the reaction released heat, so it's exothermic. If the temperature went down, it took heat in, so it's endothermic. And the bigger the temperature change, the more energy was transferred per amount of reactant. To make it accurate, we insulate the cup and use a lid to cut down heat loss to the surroundings. The less heat escapes, the truer our reading. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. Why is a polystyrene cup used? Question 2. If the temperature rises during a reaction, what type of reaction is it? Question 3. What measurement tells you the size of the energy change? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. It is a good insulator, reducing heat loss to the surroundings. 2. Exothermic. 3. The temperature change. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.